I am challenging Bilal, aka Golden Gully, to the ultimate cooking competition.
And we are going to face off and make one dish that will be chosen by our very own shawarma man.
I will be judging them on the criteria of 3: taste, texture, and presentation. Let's see who can make the best lamb burger.
He's on my home turf, so he's definitely going down today.
I may be in his home court, but I'm gonna knock him off his balance. Knock down the silver balance.
I actually think the loser should change their name from Golden. I'm gonna call him the Silver Gully, Copper Gully.
This guy's out of his element. All he does is chicken and rice.
Plus, I'm gonna slide the shawarma man a quick 20.
We will judge this very ethically and very nicely, okay, my friend?
You know that $20 goes a long way in Canada.
And of course, I will not accept any bribe.
It's game over, baby.
I will not do that.
So to get started, I'm gonna grab some 80-20 lamb mix. And to this, I'll add some salt, black pepper, some chili powder. Ooh, just the smell of cumin and lamb, it's perfect together. And some coriander powder. A touch of olive oil to this. And I also have some ginger. I'm gonna peel off the skin with the back of the spoon. And then I'm gonna use a microplane and just get some of this ginger flavor in here. Now, let me cook my damn burger. I'm gonna do the same thing with some garlic, aka heartburn.
There you go. Even though I was mocking you. It smells pretty good. I like the addition of cumin. I feel like you're gonna make something decent. I bet you he's gonna make some kulfi on accident.
Oh, decent now, yeah? And just a pinch of cilantro. Now just give this a good mix. And that's basically the lamb burger right there. We just gotta cook it.
I'm actually going with a Jamaican jerk lamb burger. I'm gonna start off in a cold cast iron skillet. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of beef bacon. And then I'm gonna turn the heat onto a medium back there, just so I can work on everything else. To our lamb, I'm going to season this up with an array of spices, including some garlic powder, a tiny bit of paprika, some cardamom, cumin, which is gonna tame down a little bit of that gaminess. And then just to go with the Jamaican vibe, I'm gonna do some allspice. Very nice pinch of salt. And in the lamb, I'm actually gonna go with a little bit of that jerk marinade. I'm gonna mix this up, and I'm gonna do a smash patty. Super unique for lamb. You like that, Gully?
I like the smash burger. Okay. I got this one in the bag.
Hi my friends, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And turn on the bell notifications.
And make sure you subscribe to these two fine gentlemen in the description.
And try my shawarma.
Now I'm just gonna pickle some radish, get this really nice and thin with a mandolin. In a small bowl or container, I'm gonna add some vinegar, and I'm just gonna lightly pickle the radish. And we can just set this aside for now. Mint chutney and lamb, those are probably my favorite combos. It's not a classic, and like it's not cheesy.
I'm laughing because I got you spinach instead of mint.
Oh yeah, I also got sabotage. I asked for mint, he got me spinach, but he did offer me some dried mint, so I'm gonna use that. I asked for green Thai chili pepper, and this boy came back with jalapeno pepper. Like I'm doing some sort of Mexican food restaurant thing here. I'm trying to keep it Pakistani, but I can't, so I'm gonna have to do it with what I have.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So to start with the mint chutney, we'll start off by slicing off some cilantro, and we'll add this to a pestle and mortar. And to help break it down, we'll add some salt. And before we add the other ingredients, let's get this nice and pasty, like Ahmed. So instead of fresh mint, I'll use the dried mint that I have. And instead of the green Thai chili pepper, we got a jalapeno. And I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon juice in here. And to help cool off the chutney, I'm going to add some plain yogurt. And let's also add a bit of black pepper. Give this another mix.
For a very simple sauce, I'm going to start with garlic aioli. I'm going to add in a little bit of honey. And then last but not least, I'm going to add in some of that jerk marinade. Gonna mix this up. Secret ingredient, MSG, the jerk mayo.
Okay, are you gonna taste?
Yeah. You know what the difference between me and Bilal? I clearly eat the food that I make. You can't come in here 8% body fat telling me you cook. You feel me? Nah, I'm just joking.
And to cook the lamb burger, I will be using a cast iron skillet. Once the skillet is slightly smoking, I'm going to add some oil. I'm also going to add a bit of oil to the patty. And you want to hear that sizzle. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Just watch you make a burger.
Yeah? How do you like this? Yeah?
It looks good.
Yeah, you think that's
It looks decent.
decent?
Yeah.
Man, you see those marks? That's a 10 out of 10 for presentation right there, no?
But you can't even see grill marks in a burger.
I will open it up so you can see it.
Okay.
I'm gonna have it open, and then he's gonna be like, wow, look at the presentation, my friend.
It's burger time, baby. I removed the beef bacon when it was nice and crispy. It's sitting here on the side draining, but I have a little bit of that fat left over, and that's what we're gonna cook our lamb burgers in. You're gonna hear a nice sizzle. We're gonna actually press in a couple of those onions like this, as Oklahoma style, baby. And then what we're gonna do is put our parchment like this and really give it a nice smash. You want it to scream for help. Peel that right off. Now we're gonna gut under that patty. It should peel off by itself and give it a nice flip. Pepper jack cheese just for a nice subtle kick. Once the cheese melts, I'm gonna put the patty onto the side and just work on the other one. Gully, this might be a banger.
He doesn't know a good burger. Lamb is probably my favorite meat. I don't think he knew that when he chose lamb, so As the burger is resting, I will quickly remove the egg whites from an egg. So I'm gonna whisk it up until it gets white and foamy. And we'll just lightly fry the egg whites. Once each side gets nice and crispy, you can remove it. And in the same pan that the lamb burger was being cooked in, I'm gonna add a bit of onions and get these caramelized. And for the bun of choice, I got a brioche with some sesame seeds. So in the same pan that I cooked the lamb in, I'm just gonna use that and get some of that flavor onto the buns.
It's a really good looking burger.
Yeah, it's nice, yeah?
I'm not gonna lie, that looks really good.
As the buns get toasted, I will make a final condiment of a hot honey spicy mayo. So in a bowl, squeeze of mayo, some hot honey. I'm also going to put a bit of chipotle chili powder in here and just give it some mix.
For our topping of choice, I'm actually opting in for some olives. Just gonna give these a quick little rough chop so every single bite has a little bit of olive. I'm gonna grab my bacon once it's cooled down. I'm gonna give it a quick chop.
All right, let's assemble. We got the bottom bun, add some of that green chutney, followed by some lettuce leaves. So we got the tomato at the bottom and the egg white.
We got an almost burnt bun. Sauce it up. A couple pieces of rabbit food. Slice of tomato. Season it with a light pinch of salt. Fresh cracked black pepper.
Beautiful lamb burger. Our pickled radish, caramelized onions.
For our finale, we're gonna go in with our lamb patty. Look at that. Gonna do our bacon bits right on top. And then we're gonna go in with our olives and pickled jalapenos. A little bit of sauce on that top bun.
Then we got our top bun, which I'm gonna put our spicy mayo on.
And then we're gonna crown our king.
There we go. That's the lamb burger.
This is what I call the gully defeater. Okay, this is burger A. I don't know who is, but it looks very nice and pretty, my friend. Let me show you this. Look at that, look at that. He got the pretty leaf outside, very nice. And then I can see there's some sort of that egg. There's the egg in there. You know, my friends, as you can see, it's very pretty. I'm going to take a bite and let you know. It's very, very lamby burger, thick with the lamb. It's very nice, it's spiced. The marination is very nice. The presentation, I give it 9.5. The texture of the burger is very nice, very juicy. I give it, 9.5, my friend. I think the bun could have been toasted a bit more, Let me drop that down to a 9. That's very evil, my friend. In terms of the taste, I give it 7.5, my friend. It's very nice burger. Let's see what the next burger has in store and give that a rating and see who wins the challenge. Okay, my friends, you see the presentation of this burger is very nice. I very much like it. But if I would give it a bit of feedback, I don't see the green leaf. Wow, look at that. Oh, look, there is a green leaf after all. Okay, haha. Now I'm gonna take a bite. Bismillah. It's got very smoky taste. I see there's the beef bacon. I like that. Caramelized onion. Very nice presentation. So I give the presentation 9.7. Texture's very nice, my friend. 9.5. I feel it's like Jamaican. It's like Jamaican burger or something, I give the flavor. I would eat it again. 10 out of 10. My friends, and the winner is Burger B! Congratulations, my friend!
My God.
They ask you how you are, you